Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the DN DECONATION Gold Tray, a stunning addition to any home decor. This large, round decorative tray boasts an exquisite hand-painted matte gold finish with a unique rustic touch, perfect for enhancing your living room, coffee table, or farmhouse decor. Crafted using advanced wood powder pressing technology, this tray is not only solid and textured but also more durable than ceramic or glass alternatives, ensuring it withstands falls and breakage. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply wipe it with a damp cloth, and when not in use, its slim design allows for easy storage in a cabinet or box. Versatile in function, this tray is ideal for displaying candle holders, vases, or even organizing your makeup, while also serving as a practical holder for glasses and coasters to keep your space tidy. Its diverse applications make it a perfect centerpiece for dining rooms, patios, and weddings, adding a touch of art and elegance to any setting. So, if you're looking to elevate your home decor with a stylish and functional piece, the DN DECONATION Gold Tray is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.